While it may be officially classed as a small SUV, the 2022 Skoda Kamiq cemented its position as 2022 Drive Car of the Year, Best Small SUV, for the second year running in 2022, on the strength of its interior space and interior functionality. Along with generous dimensions and plenty of hooks, carriers and storage spaces, the entire Skoda Kamiq range for 2022 is powered by a 110 kilowatts 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine, giving it a performance edge over earlier version with a smaller and less powerful 85 kilowatts 1.0-liter engine. Against models like the Peugeot 2008, Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, and Haval Jolion, the Skoda Kamiq managed the best balance of the flair, size and value of its competitors, rolled into the one impressive vehicle. 2022, Skoda offers the Kamiq an entry-level ambition specification, with a choice of 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, our plush signature and sporty Monte Carlo trim levels. The base ambition, from $35,990 drive-away manual, $37,990 drive-away auto, comes loaded with upmarket features, like a powered tailgate, steering wheel, 8.0-inch infotainment, dual-zone climate control, adaptive cruise control, LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry and start, and plenty more. Switching to the Monte Carlo, from $40,990 drive away, you gain a panoramic roof, sporty styling touches, like a black grille and wheels, unique sports seat trim, adaptive chassis control, and adaptive LED headlights. One with the lot Kamiq signature, from $41,990 drive away, catches your eye. You'll find, on top of ambition features, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as part of the larger 9.2-inch infotainment, satellite navigation, front and rear heated seats, electrically adjustable driver's seat, leather and suede look interior trim, and more. Drive-away pricing, the Skoda Kamiq range is easy and approachable. The entry-level Ambition Automatic is very tempting at $37,990 drive away, and misses out on little. Said, with an impressive range of additional equipment, some of which doesn't even appear on the equipment lists of prestige small SUVs. Skoda Kamiq Signature delivers a home run hit on included equipment for the price. Thick infotainment, quality interior finishes, enthusiastic but comfortable dynamic, and interior space that but many others in its class to shame, are just the icing on the Skoda Kamiq's cake.